What are you doing on the bird? Yeah.
I make joke on technology.
Well, I'm gonna leave that alone. You know what I think about that.
Up there about 65 feet, the airport's in your neighborhood right now. I said, well, what's this, 29.95, but got a little bit more net behind it. I got a $2 before with the driver's truck also.
I hear you. Well, did you work last night?
That antenna does his work for me. I got the same thing. I got you. I can't use the drivers on it because there's too much coming out of the radio. You blow that damn thing up like that, but just one of those things. Like I said, I get too out of the radio.
That way you don't get too hot up there, and you don't get your old body.
Not between 100 and 800 a gram. That's the other. Temp 4 on that. Yeah, that's the thing.